Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most comprehensive and efficient gardening tool sets on the market, the SETTECH gardening tools. If you're looking to elevate your gardening game, this might just be the perfect set for you. The SETTECH gardening tools set is a 10-piece powerhouse designed to tackle all your gardening needs with ease. From planting to pruning, this set includes essential tools like garden shears, cultivator, weeder, hand rake, folding saw, and both large and small shovels. It even comes with gardening gloves, binding wire, and a durable 600D Oxford cloth organizer bag. Let's talk about what makes these tools stand out. First off, durability. The stainless steel construction ensures these tools are built to last, with excellent rust prevention and corrosion resistance. The handles are ergonomically designed with a PP plus TPR material combination, providing a comfortable and anti-slip grip, allowing you to work for longer periods without fatigue. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, having a comprehensive set like this can make all the difference. The SETTECH tools are not only sturdy but also offer great value for money. The included tool tote bag makes it easy to carry your tools around the garden, ensuring you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Choosing the SETTECH gardening tools means investing in quality and efficiency. In conclusion, if you're looking for a garden tool set that combines durability, comfort, and functionality, look no further than the SETTECH gardening tools. It's a complete package that's sure to elevate your gardening experience. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details and to get your hands on this fantastic set. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, happy gardening!